Hey everybody.
Welcome to the show that celebrates Disney memories through food.
That's right, but today we're doing something a little different.
Yeah, because this is a memory we haven't had yet. We're doing something... I know! What?
You just blew my mind. Yeah. It's a memory we haven't had yet.
Yeah, but it'll be super memorable when we're done.
I hope so. You've built up this memory that I haven't had yet.
There's a lot of expectations now. We are making blueberry hand pies in the shape of Mickey.
That's right. Blueberries. It's an exciting time for them. They're the cousin of the acai berry. Yeah. They're having their moment. They're in everything. In pies. They've always been in pies. But they're in beer now. They're everywhere. So good on the blueberry.
Yeah. So we're going to take advantage of this blueberry trend, which I don't think they ever went out of style.
Not in my world.
Anyways, it's summertime, it's 4th of July. Let's make some blueberry pie. All right, so we baked our hand pies. They came out. I gotta say, I kind of wish that we had stuffed them with a little bit more filling.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think?
I think they look great. They look delicious. Excited to try one.
Yeah, me too. Ooh, that's nice.
There you go. The inside. Yeah, but the filling is nice.
Yeah.
Right? Like, it's pretty good. Here we go.
All right.
That pie crust is really great.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of delicate. It doesn't feel like... Sometimes pie crust can feel so buttery, But this one doesn't. This feels kind of delicate, and it feels nice. You can tell that there's butter in there, but not too much.
No.
And then the blueberry filling is really great because the lemon just kind of elevates. That citrus really brings a lot to kind of help with the blueberries.
Yeah, absolutely. It kind of reminds me of a Pop-Tart.
Kind of, yeah. Which we've made on this channel before.
We have. From Woody's Lunchbox. I like it. I think this was a successful recipe.
And again, these are just the basics. Like, you could do this pie. You don't have to do the Mickey shapes. You could do regular, like, hand pies. You could use that pie crust for a regular pie. Mm-hmm. You don't even have to do blueberries. You can do raspberries. You can do pineapple, which we did in that Pop-Tart video. But yeah, it's delicious. It's versatile. It's fun, too. It's like fun little easy snacks that you can have for a barbecue.
I'm still chewing.
All right, I'll do the outro. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and then let us know if there are any food memories that you would like us to help you recreate. We'd love to hear the story behind some of those memories as well.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching.
Take it easy, everybody.
Bye.